In this presentation, we will explore Unit 5.2, Adding Animation. In today's digital world, presenting information doesn't have to be dull or static. Just like motion brings life to a simple image, animations can turn ordinary presentation into engaging and memorable experiences. In this lesson, we will explore how animations help capture attention, improve understanding, and effectively communicate ideas. We'll also learn how to properly use animation tools in presentation software to make slides more dynamic without overwhelming the audience. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how animation can enhance learning, creativity, and communication in your future presentations. First, title bar. The title bar is located at the top left corner of the Google Slides platform. It displays the file name of the presentation, which is usually a default name like entitled presentation. This part is important because it helps users identify and organize their files, especially when working on multiple presentations. To change the file name, you simply click on the title bar, type your preferred file name, and press enter. The new name will be automatically saved in Google Drive. Second, Menu tab. The Menu tab contains the main set of platforms, menus, and Google Slides. It includes File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, Tools, Add-ons, and Help. These menus provide access to different commands and tools needed to create, edit, and manage the presentation. Toolbar. The toolbar contains different tools that allow users to quickly insert image, shapes, and lines, as well as format text and other slide content. Instead of opening the insert and format menus, the toolbar provides shortcut buttons that make editing faster and more convenient. This helps users save the time while designing and organizing their presentation. Workspace. The workspace is the largest section of the platform, and it's where most of the action happens. Think of it as your main canvas. Here you can edit your slides, add and format text, and insert data like charts or tables. You can also customize designs like colors, fonts, and backgrounds, and includes graphics, images, or videos that make your presentation more engaging. Essentially, the workspace gives you all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life in one central area. Slides pane. The slides pane is where you can see all your slides in order along with their numbers. It helps you organize your presentation easily. You can add new slides by selecting the last slide or simply pressing enter on your keyboard. The pane also offers different viewing options like film strip view and grid view, so you can see your slides in a way that's more convenient for you.
Comments pane in Google Slides is a helpful feature for presenters. It allows users to leave comments for notes on a specific slide. These notes can guide the presenter on what to say during the presentation. It works like cue cards or speakers, that notes that only the presenter can see, while the audience cannot. This helps the presenter stay on track and explain the slide clearly without putting too much text on the slide. Another important feature of Google Slides is animation. Animation refers to visual effects or movements applied to elements like text, images, illustrations, and graphics. Adding animation makes the presentation more engaging and interesting for the audience. It also helps emphasize important points and prevents the presentation from looking boring or plain. To add animation to elements, the user first highlights the text or object they want to animate. Then, they go to the Menu tab and click Insert. Choose Animation and select the desired animation from the Motion side panel. For slide animation or transitions, the user clicks Transition in the toolbar, chooses a transition effect, and may apply it to all slides for a uniform look. Another important feature of Google Slides is animation. Animation refers to visual effects or movements applied to elements like text, images, illustrations, and graphics. Adding animation makes the presentation more engaging and interesting for the audience. It also helps emphasize important points and prevents the presentation from looking boring or plain. Balance refers to the proper distribution of elements on a slide. This can be symmetrical, where elements are evenly placed, or asymmetrical, where different elements are arranged evenly but not identically. Emphasis. Emphasis is used to highlight important information. This can be done through bold or italic text, underlining images and animations to stress key points. Unity. Unity means that all elements in the presentation work together to communicate ideas clearly. Consistent animations, fonts, and transitions help maintain unity and avoid confusion. Movement refers to the use of animation and transitions to create motion. This makes the presentation more dynamic and interactive, helping keep the audience engaged.